I'm a pretty avid reader myself, but I find that in the scarce moments of downtime I get, I like to try to write sometimes, whether it's just to jot my thoughts down or try to make my own stories. But until recently, I couldn't find any passion or drive to write. And then I realized I hate writing. Well, that's not entirely true. You see, what I was writing on apparently mattered more than my drive to write. For example, listen to this. Typing on my standard keyboard was just dull and boring and lifeless. So to fix that, I bought myself a USB typewriter-like keyboard. And this is what happened. So here's a tip from me. Writers, whether hobbyists or by trade, get yourself a keyboard that matches your personality and the kind of stories you want to write. You'd be surprised how much more potential you can unlock from yourself just by having more fun writing.